Welcome back, guys. It is a new month and it's time for a new recipe, or even better, an updated recipe for my Chebe hair oil. I use Chebe to help to retain and lock in moisture. This powder plays a major role in helping to minimize my hair shedding and hair breakage. I still and only use one brand, and that is Sahel Cosmetics. They carry authentic, high-quality Chebe. If you guys need a link to purchase this, it will be in the description box below. So make sure you open it to check out their store. To my oil, I'm also adding Burdock root, which helps to strengthen and nourish your hair, along with peppermint leaves to help mask the smell. I'm mixing grapeseed oil, extra olive oil, and my DIY carrot growth oil. You can definitely use any oil of your choice that your hair likes. When I'm straining my oil, I always use a stocking cap or a cheesecloth. It's very important because you don't want those little bits getting stuck in your hair. It's going to be an annoying wash day. This is why it's super important to strain your oil. For the traditional way, people apply the Chebe powder directly on their hair like I've done many times in my videos. For people who are not about that traditional way of life, you want to strain your Chebe no matter what. And you want to strain it at least 2 times minimum. 3 times will be perfect, but you want to strain it at least twice to make sure those powders will not set in the oil bottle. And look at that beauty. We got some good old clear oil, Chebe infused with some burdock and peppermint. That is money right there. Now it's time to apply the oil, and I'm doing this on a protective style, and my hair is about, I think, 3 or 4 days old. But first I'm going to get it wet using my Henna Hair Tea. Now I did update my recipe, so if you guys do want a new updated video for this, I will go ahead and film it. Just let me know. I'm going to spray it all over my scalp and of course my ends of my hair, and massage that in just gently and get ready for the oil. Now for the Chebe oil. I apply the oil from the mid part of my twist all the way down to my ends. It is very important that you guys know Chebe is never for your scalp, no matter if it's in a oil form or a butter, whatever. Chebe is never for your scalp. Chebe is used to lock in and seal in moisture, which will help you to retain growth and to minimize breakage. It never goes on your scalp. Trust me, I know. Now that you have your Chebe oil, you guys can use it in many, many ways. You can use it to prepoo, which is a precondition treatment before shampoo, a hot oil treatment. You can apply it to your favorite hair mask, even your deep conditioner, your leave-in conditioner, your hair butters, whatever, as long as it doesn't touch your scalp. Definitely, I'll be putting out more videos using the Chebe oil just so you guys can see all the benefits you guys can do to use this in your hair to seal in and lock in that moisture and get this hair growth going. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.